Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a flat. First, undo the nut on the stem. A friend of mine is having trouble getting the rim off the bead. What you do is you start at the stem. I use small tire irons. I try not to use the big one. It kind of has too much leverage and does damage. See how it's hard here? What you do is you push the rim or the tire down into the recessed area of the spokes. See how this it started to kind of move? And you can just kind of hook it under the sprocket. And this is where you go. See this edge right here? See, it's on the top and it's in the deep. You want to go right in the middle where the wrench will pop in there. See that? And then it'll lift a lot easier. Making sure you push this. There, I've already got two. So then just keep doing that in that spot right there. That's the sweet spot. Not over here, not, you know, just right where you got room to pop it in. And you'll see it'll start to come. See right there. And the rim starts to come on. That's the trick. I'll show you another trick here in a sec. I can take that one off now. So now it's popped off the bead. No problem. The next step is how do we get the tube out? How do we get my hands in here? You know, it's kind of hard, it's kind of tight, right? So you turn it over, well, just as I suspected. The tire was probably a little flat, ridden on, tire spun on the rim, spinning, tearing off the stem. Well, the other part to get that stem out, the trick for that was to go where the stem is and grab the back side of the tire and do the same, pull it down this way. Then you fold it on the ground like so. Now it's holding the tire away from you. So now when I pull up like this, the tire's staying on the other side, so it's holding it wide open. So when I go like this, I can reach in and I can grab the tube. Once I get the tube, I can push it back in. Now the whole tire will come up and I can get the rest of the tube out. And you repeat that process to put the new tube to get that stem in this hole. Do it again. Pull on here. You might even have a helper, somebody help you, somebody sit over here and pull this open, and while you reach in there and put the new stem in place, and then and then undo it again, and then push the rest of the tube in, and then start putting it back together, kind of the opposite way. But I hope that's gives you some hints on how to get the tire apart and back together, and that's my short version.